Listen to the following talk.
When giving instructions, it's important to be polite and considerate. Instead of saying, close the door, you could say, could you please close the door? This makes the request sound more courteous. Also, I'd like you to close the door can make the command more pleasant. If you want to sound even more gracious, try saying, I'd be grateful if you'd close the door. These small adjustments can significantly improve the tone of your requests, making them sound more respectful and less demanding. By incorporating phrases like please or framing your commands as questions, you can communicate more effectively and politely. This content is only an example of learning English. Thank you for watching. This is a VTP channel. You can find us at youtube.com/@VTP.